Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to skip our travel adventures because Black Friday is coming up. And we're going to show you some items that have been lifesavers during our travels around the world. These items were super helpful and easy to pack for our trips around California, Spain, Guatemala, Mexico, and Costa Rica. Because traveling as a couple or with kids, there's always things in life that can make your life easier. And just like our travel tips, these recommendations can make your life easier with the items that you will find on our Amazon travel store.
Alright guys, and don't worry, we'll set the link in the video description for you guys to check it out. And the first one, and very important to most of us, is the flash drive stick. This one is the one we use and it's been great to us. You can use it with the iPhone, Android, tablets, and you can just save your pictures or videos in here, so you don't run out of space in your phone when you're traveling. All you have to do is connect it to your phone and transfer your files there. Our next one is the hiking convertible pants, and this one has been one of our excellent buys because we can use it when it's hot, just take off the pants and you convert it into shorts. And if for some reason it rained or it got cold, we can just add the extra sleeves to the legs. They are very comfortable and they dry fast. They have options for girls and boys, and they're also space savers when you put it in your luggage because you have shorts and pants at the same time. The next one is good, especially for social media creators. They work pretty good and we use them a lot. You can plug them into your phone or computer for voice recording, and they are awesome to do lives, or maybe if you're doing a Zoom call, you can still use this ones. They're pretty great. Like I said before, they are wireless and they have a pretty good range. The next ones are very convenient because sometimes you don't want to put it in your luggage, your dirty shoes. So these are shoe bags that you can take for traveling. These are very convenient because in our case, we go hiking and we don't want to put the shoes back in our luggage with our clothing. And speaking of, when we go hiking or just to the beach or any park, we take this backpack for traveling that we're going to show you in a minute. And we buy these plastic ice cubes that, you put in the freezer. They work just as ice to keep your items cool. And they work great because, you don't get anything wet inside the cooler. Or in our case, the traveling backpack that we use that is a cooler. This is a great way to keep your drinks cool and you don't have to deal with the mess of water and you can reuse them again, which is great. Check it out guys, this is an item that we take everywhere with us. It's the deep freeze backpack cooler. This thing is amazing because we can either take it to the park or in the airplane, fill it up with stuff, clothing, stuff that we need to, and use it over there as a cooler or a backpack. And this is where you can use those plastic ice cubes. You can just put your drinks in there, put the cubes, keeps it cool, and your drinks will be ready when you need those refreshments. Seriously, this is a must-have because you can use it for the park, for the beach, when you travel. You can use it basically everywhere. It can fit up to 24 cans inside that bag. But we have used it everywhere and we have been using it for about 5 years now, and it's still hanging in there since it's made out of very durable material. And this next one, it's great if you go to a beach destination because when you're in the beach and let's say you're by yourself in a couple and you want to take all your stuff to the beach because you don't want to leave it on the sand because it might get stolen or something. So this bag will help you because you can take it to the water, seal it, and your passport, keys, anything, it's gonna be safe. And make sure you get the 10-liter bag or bigger because that way it fits all your stuff in there. And like we said before, that way, it gives you a peace of mind when you're in the water. You can just have your stuff in the water and not have anything on the sand by itself. This next one, with all the flying regulations, they are very helpful. There are some containers that are clear, that are only 3 ounces, which is permitted by the airlines. Sometimes we use them to have shampoo and conditioner in case, there's none at the places where we stay. And also for sunblock, because in some countries, sunblock can be really expensive because they know you're going there just for vacation. And they take advantage of that and put their prices up the sky. Next one is mainly for the people that worry about getting their things stolen. This is the way that you can have a peace of mind by buying what's called an undercover fanny pack. And it's very convenient in case you want to hide something like your money, cell phone, passports, keys, etc. because you can put it under your shirt and nobody will be able to see it. And remember guys, if this video is being a help to you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the most important thing when you're traveling is your sleep. Besides packing everything you need, this pillow cover is a must that you should have on your travels because it will only not just make you sleep on the plane or the airport, but you have extra space for soft items that might not fit in your luggage or anything that you might need with you. And it also has a strap for easy carry. It comes in a variety of colors, and let me tell you guys, it was pretty soft. We slept pretty well on the plane. And speaking about saving space in your luggage, these shoes are pretty nice because they're water shoes, but they also look like tennis, which makes them great because you will save a lot of space because shoes take a lot of space in your luggage. And these ones you can use for hiking, swimming, or just walking around. They also come in a variety of colors for men and women. So if you don't have a pair of these, make sure to get some because it will save you a lot of space in your luggage. And because when you travel, weather can change at any time, the disposable ponchos are a great item to buy. And again, this is an item that is very useful and won't take a lot of space in your luggage. They work great for us in Costa Rica when it rained because they help us keep us dry. They come in a pack of 10, which was pretty convenient for us because we're a family of 5. The next one is very recommended if you travel by yourself or with family, but each of you just take a backpack. This one's very nice because it's waterproof and it has a little space so you can put your shoes in it so you don't mix it with your regular clothes. And it fits a lot. We have probably put stuff here for up to 2 weeks. Of course, we pack light and we just take whatever we need. And by that, I mean packing the things that you really need, not just the ones you want to take, because some people tend to overpack. But if you are really organized, this backpack will be perfect for you. The next one is more like for the ladies. And these are perfume bottle sprays where, some airlines don't take, you can't take your perfume there because it's too big. Right here, you can just pour some and it sprays. So you can actually use it for perfume or also for the men for their cologne. It's perfect because it will be less than 3 ounces liquid, which, it's always allowed by the airlines. The next one is a smaller version of the waterproof credit card holder, passport holder, key holder, or even your phone. And it's perfect when you're out, let's say on the beach or somewhere where it's gonna get wet. You can also carry your keys and money, and when you're in the airport, you have everything handy. And this next one is very important for us because sometimes you get your luggage stolen, wallets, etc. Or the airplane misses your bag, airport not finding your bag, and it can become a nightmare in your vacation, but you can avoid it by buying these AirTag keychains and actually also buying the AirTags, which are pretty helpful for luggage, wallets, like I said, and everything else that you might want to find in case you lose it with the GPS the AirTags have. This is an item that is worth buying because it gives you a peace of mind when you're traveling with your luggage. The next item is something that you will need for sure, and it's a power energy bank because you will always need it. Just think about how many times you have run out of battery in your phone or other electronics because you don't have a power bank to charge them with. This one is great because it brings all the connections for all the different phones or electronics that you might need to charge. And this next one is also mainly for the ladies, and it's a makeup travel bag where you can organize all your makeup and put it in your luggage, and then when you get to your destination, just hang it in the bathroom and have everything ready. My wife loves this one because it doesn't take a lot of space in her luggage and she can have everything organized for her makeup there. And speaking about luggage, you know how you sometimes are, kind of struggling to know if you have the right weight that the airline allows? Well, this next one is going to be very helpful for that because it's an electronic digital scale that you can just take in your travels, and it helps you weigh your luggage. Just in case, you bought a bunch of souvenirs and you don't know if your weight is exactly what the airline needs because you don't want to get overcharged. So this is very handy to take on your travels, and it will help you weigh your luggage when you're coming back. And now let's talk about being stuck on the plane for a few hours before you get to your destination. Sometimes you need, your good rest to be ready for your vacation. And if you don't get a good sleep, it will be really hard the first day. So I was one of those persons who couldn't sleep because the seats were too close to each other, and I'm pretty tall, so I wouldn't have space. So we bought this pillow that you can inflate on the plane and just lay on the pillow and take a good nap. And that way you can be 100% ready for your adventures. Okay guys, the next one is for the people that love the beach. Like, you don't want to take your big towel, heavy and bulky in your luggage. And it's also very convenient in case you don't like to use the hotel towels. These traveling towels are very easy to pack in your luggage and they dry pretty quick. And they almost take no space in your luggage because when you fold them, it's almost like you fold another shirt. So very convenient. This next one is for those who take their glasses, and especially if they're the expensive ones in your trip and then you come back and you always lose them or break them. These are very cool glasses that you can take on your travels. They are very stylish and do not look cheap at all. Very nice to take because if you lose them, they didn't cost that much, but they still look great. And this next one is also when you're on the plane. When we went to Ibiza, Spain, on our way over there, the airline didn't have the connections for the Bluetooth AirPods that we had. So we learned that lesson, and we bought the next trip a Bluetooth receiver that allows you to connect Bluetooth devices to it, and it has the connection for older planes. So this is just something to remember that you're not always going to be in the newest plane, so you might not have a Bluetooth connection for your movies or shows that you want to listen during your flight. And if you are traveling with kids and you know that the tablet, the TV, or the shows are your best friends when you're in the flight, so this gadget is pretty handy. The next one is an essential that you need to have, and it's your toothbrush. These ones are pretty handy because you can fold them and pack them really easy. And having their own folding case for storage is pretty great because you can put them anywhere and they're not gonna get dirty. The last item in our list is also for the ladies because guys, having a happy wife on vacation, it means you're gonna have a great vacation. And this one was also one that my wife loves because she likes to take her hat for the sun or just to look good. So we bought this foldable summer hat that she can take on the luggage, she can fold it, pack it, and it will still look nice when she arrives. This hat doesn't get wrinkles when you fold it. Still looks nice when you take it off your luggage and you're ready to use it. Alright guys, get ready for this Black Friday. We put the link on the description of our video so you guys can just click on it and it will give us a small percentage of each buy you have to keep making more videos like this. And here are 2 more videos about vacation destinations that you might enjoy. Because remember, we are Dos Bros Southbay family that travels around California and other parts of the world.